boses mo. Inubo ka? Sipon?
Relax yung jet lag namin. Bakit sa kayo galing? Umuwi kami na Pinas. Namatay yung nanay ko.
Dito.
Hindi ko alam.
Lahat ikaw nag-shovel na. Lahat ikaw nag-shovel. Naku.
Grabe yung bakasyon lang.
Tapos lang pala sila mataas na naman. Umakit na naman sila. And then, sila sa taas.
Repeat, check when is it when you have to Viva you
Yun, isa pa yun. Kaya medyo tahimik.
It's 19.
O konti na lang ang mga paso. Gabi. Pagbalik natin ang nangyari na bago na kayo.
Airplane, parang inaayos nila.
Kasi nag-uwian din yung mga kamag-anak na ibang bansa.
Gago eh, no?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Ano dito? Ako yung
Doon na sa ending ako umiyak.
Yung anak ay yung halula ko.
Mas maganda yung one.
Ano, sila toxic. Yun lang.
Dalawa pa.
Ano yun siya? Restaurant ba yun?
Pero mo ito, hindi na kami nagpapangitan nito. Lalo
You're in the middle of our
yung mga talong ko.
Peso ah. Sa pera natin, parang mga $50.
Nag-grocery kami agad nito. Hindi kami balik kayo na
Hindi, yung araw din yun. Yung araw din na dumating kami. Sinundo kami nito.
Happy birthday, Dudong. Happy birthday, Pearly. Happy birthday, Dudong and Pearly. Happy birthday to
Ang problema niya, yung lumang passport na Philippine passport, nawala. Kailangan itabi. Bakit mo? Ipapakita nyo, kaya kasama sa report. Hindi ka tulad sa akin, sa Pilipinas, sa duty free, 13.
Subukan niyo sa Hong Kong dito, bumili. Walang tax doon.
Ito yung nga ulit kasi kaya kumain kami lang.
May restaurant daw doon si Gordon Ramsay. Nakainan nila sa Hong Kong.
Para lang masabi.
Pero hindi yung restaurant talaga, parang fast food.
Parang boot lang, boot.
Parang hindi food court, parang food court. Pero Gordon Ramsay pa rin
Hong Kong sa Pilipinas?
sa Hong Kong.
Ah, meron siya sa Hong Kong din. Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you. You too. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sa naabot bebente mo. Happy birthday to me. Oh my God. Hairdresser ka na, ate, ha? Ganda-ganda ng hairdresser mo, ha? Ano ba? Ikaw lang yan.
Walang may pakay kung may joy sa Canada. Nandito si Bianca.
Si Bianca. Bianca's here.
Pero bakit talaga?
Oh, meron yan. Meron kaming ano kay Dudong eh. Nasakyan eh. Dati na lang yun. Iihila ka na. Diego, may ilan. Oh, ano to?
Uy, dingding. Isang dito, please. Dingding dito. She ate that. Open it now. Can you read that?
mag-park ka dyan sa harap pa.
Walang damit niya ngayon niya sa ano niya. Oo, terno na. Hindi ba Vincent?
Hey, Ken.
Gusto dito Vincent. You like it? Yeah. Walang hiya.
Bye-bye! Ayun si Papa sa likod.
Dahil ako ng basura. Tita, oh. Supported. Tita, oh.
Bye-bye guys! Bye-bye kuya! Bye-bye! See you soon, okay?
When is my birthday?
It's done, right? It's 18. Bye-bye! Mas maganda pa nga yan para sa akin kaysa yung mga nagmamandarin eh.
Ako din, oo. Diyan ako pumasok kay naman. Yung dessert spot.
Hindi na rin talaga para siya umuwi.
Oo.
Tama, yun. Malaki.
Si ate mo, bata pa yun. May pang ano.
A lot of stuffs in my hand. Thank you guys.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
I love you.
Bye-bye, love you too.
I got more presents from Tita Vic, Tito Tom, Bianca, and from my sister. Yan, so i-unbox ko ito. From my sister, I've got a rolling massager. Yes, Reebok. Then, wow, this is so huge. What is this one? Ah, a throw pillow. I mean, blanket. Yes, a heavy throw blanket. Tapos meron siyang push control. Oh, this is very nice. I need this one. Yay! Maganda to. Ayan siya, oh. So nice. Thank you, sis. Last, I also got this one. I don't know what is this. A skirt? A scrub. Yes, a set of scrub. Yan. Thank you, sister. I love you. More. I think it's a dress. Yep. I knew it. It's a dress. Yeah. I like this type of dress. And for summer. Then, wow, a jacket. Wow, this is nice. Ooh. Okay. I badly needed this. Yan. Thank you, sister. And sandals. Thank you. As I've got an envelope from my sister. I think I know this one. Money. Wow, I got 200. Thank you, sis. My gosh. Plus, I've got a card. I think this is from Inday and Josh. And this is from my sister, this card. Okay, I'll open from my sister first. To my dearest sister, Pearl, my very protective and my rock. Yes, it is. Today, I hope you feel the love and gratitude that I carry for you in my heart every day. Wishing you a year filled with joy and the knowledge that you are deeply appreciated and loved. You're my youngest sister I have. So please be take care of your health and yourself. Whenever you need me, I'm always here, listen and cares for you a lot. Love, Manang Apple. I love you, sister. Thank you. What's this? Happy birthday. Oh, a gift card. $50 gift card for Indigo Chapters. Indigo? Ano ba bibili ko sa Indigo? Books. Because I love books. Thank you, sis. Love lots. And this is from Marian and Josh. Let's open it. Okay, from Marian and Josh. This is their card. Oh, wow. I got a lip balm. Yes, it's 2. I've got 2 lip balm. Tim Hortons gift card. And a card. Tita Pearl, God bless you on your birthday. I love you so much. Love, Dindin. I love you too, Dindin. Get yourself something with this from me and Dindin. Of course, happy birthday, Tita Pearl. I love you so, so much. I wish you the best, the bestest day ever on your birthday. P.S. Happy Valentine's Day, Susu. Love everyone here, also me and Dindin. I love you too, guys. Thank you so much for your card, your gift card, and your lip balm. Love you guys. This is from Ate Tina. So I got money. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate Tina. This is from Puno family. What I've got is, wow. Oh my. Wow. Bag. And Asandas. Thank you po. So cute. Ang ganda. Maraming salamat. Once again, thank you so much, my sister's family and Puno's family, for coming on me and Josh birthday celebration at Konji Queen today. I love you guys. See you next year again.